Islamabad is not just a capital city, it is a feeling, a silence, a calm that you don't expect in a fast-moving world. Nestled at the foot of the Margalla Hills, this city stands as one of the most beautifully planned capitals in the world. Wide roads, green landscapes, and a peaceful rhythm define its identity. Unlike many crowded cities, Islamabad moves differently. Here, mornings begin with soft sunlight touching the hills, and evenings end with golden skies reflecting on quiet streets. At the heart of the city stands the iconic Faisal Mosque, a masterpiece of modern Islamic architecture. It welcomes visitors with its pure white structure and breathtaking mountain backdrop. It is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of peace. Just a short drive away, the Margalla Hills rise like a natural wall of beauty. Trails, viewpoints, and fresh air make it a perfect escape from urban life. From the top, the entire city feels calm, almost unreal. Domenico offers one of the most stunning views of Islamabad. From here, the city stretches endlessly, blending nature and modern living in perfect harmony. But Islamabad is not only about places, it is about lifestyle. Quiet cafes, organized sectors, clean roads, and a slow, peaceful rhythm create a sense of balance that many major cities have lost. As night falls, Islamabad transforms again. Soft light spread across the city, the hills fade into darkness, and the capital becomes a glowing map of calmness. Islamabad is not the loudest city, it is not the fastest city, but it is one of the most peaceful capitals in the world, and sometimes peace is the most beautiful destination of all.